Laundry stripping, good or bad for your laundry? Welcome to our Fastklean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel Fastklean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. Laundry stripping is a cleaning technique that has gained more attention than ever before. Although it is not a new thing in the cleaning world, it has proven to be a grinding cleaning method that fought its way to becoming better known. After the release of a video of the laundry stripping process on TikTok, people are amazed at what they saw, which has caused it to trend and leave people with lots of questions that demand answers. If you have ever come across the trending video of laundry stripping, or heard people saying it, you are probably wondering what the hell it is all about, how it should be done, and whether it is beneficial or not. Today we want to answer all your burning questions, as part of our goal of helping you gain clarity about anything cleaning. Laundry stripping, what it entails. Laundry stripping is a cleaning technique that has been in existence for a long time, before it gained popularity on TikTok. It's based on the concept that our towels, pillowcase, blankets, and other clothes don't get totally clean from regular cleaning. Even after many throws of inside the washing machine, there is still some dirt, natural body oil, grime and excess detergent hiding somewhere inside the cloth's fibers, which cannot be removed except with a special technique. That's where laundry stripping comes into play. It involves the soaking of the clothes we want to strip in a tub or big bowl of hot water mixed with an equal amount of washing soda, borax, and moderate detergent for as long as the water cools down. The process takes 4 to 5 hours for optimum results. And this is why it's trending. The hotness of the water coupled with the ingredients leads to the running of the dyes, and leaves the water turning into a gray or brown color, which amazes every eye that sees it and raises several questions. How to do it? You can laundry strip your towels, sheets, blankets, etc. in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Set up the strip solution. The first step is to fill up the big bowl or tub that you want to use with hot water. Then add an equal quantity of borax, laundry detergent and sodium carbonate, known as washing soda, to make a recipe. If you are using a bathtub, Fastklean suggests you use 1/4 cup quantity of borax, detergent and washing soda and stir until there's even mixture and dissolution. Step number 2. Throw in the laundry. This is the next step, after your stripping solution is ready. You want to dip the clean clothes you want to strip into the bathtub, and leave it there till the water is no more hot, which usually ranges between 4 to 5 hours. You should stir the clothes once in a while to release the hidden specks of dirt. Step number 3. Water wash the clothes. Once the water has cooled, remove the clothes from the tub and drain the now colored water. Then send the clothes to your washing machine and allow it to run with only water to remove remains of grime. When the machine stops, take the clothes and dry them as appropriate. Is it good for your laundry? When it comes to video content, laundry stripping techniques are awesome and interesting to watch. However, does that determine whether it is an excellent technique you should be doing all the time? Absolutely not. It has its own place in the cleaning world. When too much detergent is used during washing, or the clothes have stinky odors that cannot be removed with normal washing, you might want to consider laundry stripping. It's also good when you don't have a softener to neutralize the hard water in your area. Apart from the mentioned situations, it might not be advisable to use laundry stripping, especially on common small clothes. If you do, It'll either disrupt the color of your clothes or get them worn to shreds. Fastklean Advise. The first piece of advice is that laundry stripping is not suitable for every cloth. Since it works based on the concept of heat and removing hidden dirt, it is suitable for white clothes. In case you want to use it for colored clothes, ensure not to mix white and colored together so that you won't find your white dyed into another color. You should also ensure that you don't use it for small and delicate clothes, especially those that cannot withstand high temperatures. It's only suitable for thick and big clothes. Even at that, we don't recommend frequent usage of this method on your textiles. This is because the need to use a laundry strip usually comes as a result of the wrong approach to your laundry, an example of which is overuse of detergent. So, the accurate solution is proper laundry cleaning. If you have thick clothes with too much detergent, you can strip them and switch to proper regular cleaning so that you won't have to make stripping a frequent routine. Laundry stripping has been an existing cleaning method before people begin to hype it. So, you should use it only at times when it benefits you so that you don't end up making cleaning mistakes by trying to use it improperly. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, fast clean. A greener and healthier future.